Hi guys, it's Angry Admin from AngrySysOps.com, and today I will tell you what to do if your hosts are not compatible with the image you just set up. Let's start. What happened is that I changed upgrade from baseline to image. I set up image, as you can see over here. I choose the ESXi version, I choose the add-ons, and I choose the firmware. How to add firmware to your image, I have a blog article about it and I will link it down below the video. Anyway, that's the optional, you don't need to do it. And then once you set up an image, the compliance check is running. So let's have a look actually, because as you can see it's the 7.0 U3J, but the newest would be update K. So let's change for K, let's save it, and once you do that, in a few seconds you will see that the compliance check will be activated. Yeah, so we wait a few moments, because once the check is running, we see that the host status is unknown. That is expected during the check. Okay, so let's see what is the problem. So as we can see over here, on the newest version, we have this red exclamation mark. Let's click on it, and it says downgrades of manually added components, VMware tool async release 12.1.5 is in the desired ESXi version are not supported. So let's have a look. As we can see, the VM tools on the host are in the higher version than on the image. Okay, so we just quickly grab that error and let's Google that and let's have a look on the forum. And there's a KB will solve. Okay, and what's the solution? Remove VMware tools from each ESXi host manually, then upgrade. Oh, I don't think so. That's a good solution. Let's have a look on the KB. Solution, uninstall the new version of VMware tools. Install. I don't like that one either. So, what's your options, guys? I think we need to find a different solution than just uninstall VMware tools. That is not the proper way. So, what we are doing is going back and let's edit an image. So, click edit. And there's nothing here which you can edit, so we leave that one. Add-ons is just an add-ons, it doesn't play the role so as a firmware. So let's see on the components. Let's click on the show details and add components, show all components, and let's have a look if we can find our VMware tools. So, there you are, ESXi VM tools, and you see that version is 12.1.0 and we need to change that to 12.1.5. Let's do that and let's save it. Okay, and now it's another check automatically started. So let's wait a few moments. As you can see, it's one additional component, which is the change of VM tools. Okay, and you see that went through and we have the exclamation mark, which is desired state. So now the message changed from incompatible to out of compliance, which is good, because out of compliance, which means that once we remediate, it will be compliant. And we can see now there is no version, there's no difference in the VMware tools, and now we can update our host. So this is your solution. Okay guys, that's short video, but I hope it was informative. If you get anything from that video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, comment share with your friends, follow me on Twitter, it's at AngrySysOps, and see you in the next video. Bye!